Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me in my Hobonichi cousin, and this is the daily pages. And what we're going to do with this page is we're going to turn it into a weekly to-dos page. So this is what I have been doing. I haven't been keeping up lately. I've just been really not as into sitting down and writing stuff, not planning, because I do use my Hobonichi weeks extensively, and as well as the weekly pages of my Hobonichi cousin. But I know that this is going to be very important in the future. I will stick with this for now. So here I have used a lot of the stickers from a Luxe kit from the Glam planner, because we will be using another Glam planner kit today, and this is what it looks like. This is, I think, Sherbet something. I will put the name over there. And if you'd like to see how my page will look like, then make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Let's go ahead and take a look at the kit. Now, I'm sorry if the lighting keeps changing or it's very obvious that it gets darker at some point and then lighter at some point, because the sun is just being crazy today. It can't make up its mind. So here I have a Glam planner mini kit, and no, not a mini kit, but a bitty kit. So this bitty kit comes in 2 pages. You have a functional page and this decorative page, sort of decorative and functional at the same time. So I have a lot of stickers here, but not as much as a mini or a Luxe kit, but let's see what will happen if I just use these. And then I also grab the add-on of the... Alright, so this is the add-on that is the side washi, and if you were using a personal planner or A5 planner, ring planner, then you can put this on the side of your pages. So I also grabbed these 2 washi. I did not bring a lot of washi from my home in the Philippines to Australia. I just brought a few, and these were the 2 that matched the kit the most. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to put down this side washi at the top. So I'm going to put this just below the date of the daily pages of a Hobonichi cousin. Not gonna go all the way in. And then I'm going to do the same for the next page. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this washi, just place it on top of these 2. I'm trying to not make it stick to the paper. That's why I'm being careful. And then I'm going to do the same for the other page. So the one thing that I will say is that this bitty kit doesn't have headers or date covers. So you won't be able to use those. Normally that's what I would do, but since I don't have it, gotta make do with what you have. And that makes this a hack. Alright, so I'm really liking how this looks, to be fair. This is super cute. Oh, by the way, I have another sheet of stickers that's from the Glam planner that I'm pretty sure I will be using today if I can find it. So this is just a sheet of quarter boxes, and I'm really liking that she offers a sheet of this so that I can just use it for whatever spread that needs it. And I also have a leftover sheet of glitter washi. Now I understand a lot of these colors do not match because obviously this is a much lighter color scheme, but I don't mind. I'm going to go ahead and use this with this kit. And then if push comes to shove, I have a stack of unused stickers here from the Glam planner. So I do have a lot to choose from and to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and build the bottom side of this page. I was gonna say bottom bar, but it's really not. Okay, I cut it too short. I'm so sorry. I'm probably going to put a deco there. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the same pattern washi as this one, and then put it at the bottom. Just layer it a little bit because I don't want to go all the way to the bottom. And that looks pretty good. And I am enjoying all of this. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these, what is this called? Glitter headers, and I'm going to place it just below this washi that we used according to the color that Elle put it in. Oh, hang on. Ah! Oh gosh. Okay. So I'm going to have that little strip there. So I'm skipping 2 boxes in between the headers. And I know it's crooked. And then I'm going to take this last one and stack it over here. So this is going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then a Sunday section. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and write the days of the week over there later. But now let's go ahead and play with this. Actually, hang on. Before we do that, let's go ahead and take one of these and just put it along the same line as the Sunday header. And it doesn't look so bad now. Yes, I'm so happy. I'm glad I did that. And what we're going to do here, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this green. Really? Hang on. Maybe not. I'm gonna go ahead and put down this little weekly, what do you call that? Weekly box? I'm sorry. And then here, it looks like this color will be perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these from the Glam planner as well. So this is Don't Forget. Okay, there we go. And that looks stunning. I am loving this. I am loving this so much, you guys. It is just something else. Okay, let me grab another glitter header. So how many do we have? How many do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4. I'll grab this purple one and do the same thing that I did on top, except I'm doing it there. And I'll just alternate between the 2 colors. I never thought that I'd have a preference for glitter headers until now. Just saying. I'm afraid of not putting this in the right place. That's why I am being very disoriented in this video. I think most of my planner with me's that are gonna be like this is gonna have a fair amount of disorientation. And this is what I have. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and put down these 4 boxes. I'm going to put this down first. I know this is very summery, but I kind of am wishing it was... I'm missing summer, basically. So this is going to be really fun. I'm going to put this lower. I'm just going to go ahead and put down one of these boxes. I want to put a patterned one. Which one? This one. There we go. And I will take one of these. So I'm obviously just grabbing all the pink ones. Okay, hang on. Will you fit? All right. So I'm going to put this down. It's a little bit short, but I'll show you what I did. So this is what I've done with that. And it's pretty good. I like it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put down the rest of this. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I made a mistake. Okay, wow. I am so happy it did that. So I'm going to take a Build You sticker and put it on Wednesday. And then I'm going to take this chair. I'm actually going to put it over here. No, really. And put this down. So this is going to be my Friday. This is going to be Thursday. I know that this is filming day. I'm going to take... Okay, so this is a match. So this is a completely different type of spread. It's not the no white space that I did before. That's what I'm trying to say. Why can't I say it? I'm going to take another pink because, you know, pink is life. And then I'm going to take the other pink. Really? Okay, let's take the green one. And then I'm going to take one of the other looking quarter boxes and put it at the bottom. And then Sunday will have this, but I want something else over there. Let me put down this green half box. Oh no. No, I changed my mind. And I'll put this down on the sheet. I'll pick this up in a little bit. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and place my, what is this called? Checklist flags. Very good. Very good, very good. Then I'm going to do the same for the other page. I like it that it matches the glitter header that we used. Oh, dang it. It's okay. I'll live with it. I'm going to take my scissors and cut this in half, so 3 each. That went well. And then we're gonna go back to our full box. Oh, this is too long. Let's be forgiving. All right, so I really like how this has turned out. I am so happy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just place this green box over here. Then I'm gonna take this and cut it in half as best as I can. Let's use these bad boys. Okay, no, they're actually very good. I just want to cover the numbers, so okay, fine. Where's that strip? So I'm taking this strip again to cover the 0, and this is what we have. Okay, I like that little thing there. So this is needing a little bit of love. I'm gonna take the purple one, and then I'm going to take the green one, and then I have the blue and the, oh, I've run out. Darn it. Okay, it's okay. I'm gonna use this. Is it the same? Because I know some of these strips are longer. I think that's what happened to me the last time. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh my gosh, yes, yes. So, lessons here. So what are our takeaways? The takeaway is that if you're going to be using the bitty kit to make this type of spread in your Hobonichi cousin in the daily pages, so the bitty kit only comes with 2 pages, you will need to add this. If you can add one more so that you can have one at the top, one at the bottom, that would be good. And then you will definitely need a sheet of the glitter headers. You can also put the glitter headers on top even, or push this up. And then you will need, so glitter headers and then the washi strip. I guess those are the things that you would really need to recreate this spread. Because all the other things, like the don't forget ones, that's just add-ons. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a few things here. I am going to put so this is what we have so far. I just wrote down the days and the dates, and then I also wrote down the this week here, and this is going to be for my overview of my days of the week. What? This is the overview of my entire week, and then I have my don't forget section. I have a few tasks here at the bottom for Tuesdays until Friday because this is where it's really intense. This is my most productive days of the week. And then I do have a release on Saturday for my shop, paperjoyph.com. And then I did put Friday, I did put trash day, and I have a bill due, which I will not show you what I write down on there. So this is what we have, and this is the sticker kit, first page, and this is the second page. So I do have a lot of other sticker stuff here, and perhaps I will be able to use it in another spread, and I'm pretty sure, yeah. And I also have this. I'm actually not sure if doing the dailies, even if it's two days on a page, is as helpful as this, because this overview, the to-do overview, is super helpful for me. I mean, I like doing it. But this one, I'm not so sure because I also have a schedule maker here at my daily pages. Let me show you. So this was last week. And it's really helped a lot. So here, I'm not really sure if I'm going to do the dailies for this next week because I feel like this is enough for me. 2 weekly, week on 2 pages for my Hobonichi cousin, and I also have my Hobonichi weeks after all. Okay, so I hope you liked this video, guys, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget the next video will be a Hobonichi weeks plan with me. You can also follow me on my social media. My Instagram and Facebook is paperjoyph, and my Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. Especially if you'd like to see how this week will turn out, I usually post my completed spreads in my social media. And if you'd like to get any of the kits that I showed you today, any of the stickers from Glam Planner, you can go ahead and go to www.glamplanner.com and you can use the code PAU15, so that's PAU15 for 15% off your order. And with that, that's all for us today. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!